Hey guys, so right here I have an iPhone 17e, which it looks the same as the 16e. The one I got is in pink, but I don't think you guys can see it well in this lighting. But anyway, I have three apps right here that I will be testing with this one, which are Geekbench 6, 3DMark, and AnTuTu. I'll show you what iOS version it's on. As you can see right here, it says I'm on iOS 26.4, and this particular version is the developer beta 4. Before I start the benchmark, here are the app version number, as you can see in the screenshot right here. So all of them are on the latest version pretty much. So I'll clear all the apps first. You can see the battery is 100%, and let's start off with Geekbench 6. So because this one is still new, of course it would say model iPhone 18,5, iOS 26.4. And once again, because it's still new, it couldn't recognize what kind of SoC it have. And this one have 8 gigs of RAM. So I'll start with CPU benchmark 3, 2, and 1. And we'll just wait for a bit. There you go, the score finally shows up. So for the single core it's 3430, whereas for the multi-core it's 8732. I'll put my iPhone 17 Pro Max result on the right side of the screen so that you guys can get the idea what is it like between the A19 versus the A19 Pro. As you can see, iOS 26.4, model would be iPhone 18,5, CPU information, of course it says but again A19. So yeah, if you're interested to read all of these, feel free to pause the video. So this one also have 8 gigs of RAM. In fact, this phone doesn't feel like it's heating up, so A19 really holds up pretty much really well, despite it doesn't have the cooling like the iPhone 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Let's clear the apps again, and I'll do 3DMark. It recommends me to do this still nomad light, and I'll put in unlimited mode because why not, right? So let's just start 3, 2, and 1. There we go, this is the results. It says that the overall score is 1450, and here's the performance monitoring. So basically the battery didn't drain at all since I started doing Geekbench 6, and yeah, it's still at 100% so far. Frame rate is between 9 to 18, and as you can see, here's the graph. Your score versus this model. Because this one is still new, it doesn't say much about it, I guess. My score versus all devices, so it says 33% better than rest of this stuff. So I'll clear the apps again, and let me just touch the phone. So far it doesn't heat up, which is really impressive. I'll do AnTuTu benchmark. The version I'm at is this version, so I'll do the test now, and let's wait pretty much. There we go, it's finally done. It's benchmark. So for AnTuTu, the result would be this much. So it's 1,891,497. These are the score result for all of them. And yeah, the phone is heating up a lot. It's quite warm. It feels hot but not too hot, of course. And also the battery drain. So when I start the test earlier, it was at 100%, but right now it's at 96. Anyway, I hope you enjoy watching this video. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos right here. And yeah, bye.